Hello everyone, this is Prashant here. Welcome to my channel. So we are in a data structure series. So as usual, I thought to do a Q today, but today is Sunday special. So I'm going to do one problem. So this is a two-sum problem actually. So we are going to do both ways. One is brute force and optimal solutions. So let's start the question. Okay. So find the indices of sum of two numbers as a target given an array of numbers. Okay. So actually from this, what you understand, there are two numbers you want to sum, like two numbers. Okay, there is a target is given. Okay, and you want the result to give to the customer is index of the two places. Okay, so take an example here. So this is a list. Okay, array, list of array. Okay, numbers, and target is 8. So I want to find the pair which is going to give the result as a 8. See this? If I add 1 plus 3, no, it's 4. It's not 8. So when I add 3 plus 5, it's 8. So it's a simple problem, but in real time we will get anywhere. So what is the result? So index of 3 is 1 and index of 5 is 2. So that's the result, 1, 2. Okay. In the same case, if the target is 6, add is 6. What would be the result? So if I add 1 plus 3, no. 1 plus 5, yes, 6. So what is the index? 0 and 2. So that is the result. So that is how you want to find the pair, the index result. And there is two conditions. One is there is only one result for this question, because once you find the result, you don't need to loop again. Next, no need to sort the result. So the result may be 1, 2 or 2, 1. Not a problem. Okay, this is actually lead code question actually. Okay. So first we'll target the brute force. So in brute force, what is the brute force? Straightforward approach. Suppose here, from here, I am taking the 1. Okay, the index is 0. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to add 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. So what is the result? 4. It is equal to 8? No. Next, I am going to take 1 plus 5. What is the result? 6. Is it 8? No. After that, I am going to take 1 plus 6 equal to 7. It's 8. No. I'm going to take next 1 plus 12 equal to 13. This is equal to 8. No. Okay. So what is the next result? Next I will take 3. What is the index? 1. Okay. So I'm going to take 3 plus 5 equal to 8. So yeah, 8 came. Okay. What is the index of 5? 2. So 1, 2. So it is fruit loop, but the brute force will take so much time, because 2 loops you need. You need to take the first loop, then after that in second loop you will take the next letter, you want to add, then you want to iterate to all the elements, then you want to take the second index, you want to iterate to all the elements, then third element iterate. So it takes n square actually. I will show in a code. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to create a new file. So actually I'm going to name it as 2sum. Okay. So there are so many YouTubers that followed, but they are doing for C++, Java, but this is for Python. Even I faced little difficulty. Okay, to follow them. Okay. So first we want the list. So list 1 equal to, so what are the value? You guys say 1, 3, 5, 6, 12. Okay, what is the target value? Is 8. Okay, 8. Cool, right? Next we want the results. So this is the result is a list. So I'm putting 0, 0 to like empty results. Okay. Next I'm going to put a for loop. In here we need to use a range method, because we are not doing the value, we take the index. So range of length. What is the length? List of list. Find the length of the list. That is the range for us. Okay. Next I want the j value. J equal to, what is the j value? I plus 1. That is j value, right? Because if I take the first index now, I want to add with the next element. So I plus 1. Okay. For j in the range of length of list. Okay. So what I will do, I want to find the sum equal to list of 1 of I want to add both the values now. List of I equal to 2. So I want to add this I value and j value. After adding this, I want to verify is sum equal to target. So after adding to the numbers, I want to verify what is the target. So if the result is success, means the result of 0 is what? I, and the result of first index, this is 0th, and another first index result is j. Okay, after that what I will do, I am going to print the result. In the end, I am going to print the result. Cool, right? So simply we do anything. The first we take one for loop, and after that I want to take the second element, so I need another for loop. So I took an example, right? I showed example to you guys. So 1 I want to compare with 3, I want to add with 5, I want to add with 6 and 12. Same only we are going to do here. So if I run this, the result is 1, 4. Okay, why 4, 4, 4? That's wrong here. We'll see. I put 2 here, not j. See this? That's a wrong. So I put as index of j. I put 2. That's all. See this? 2, 1. So we find the result. Okay. So this is how the loop will keep on goes. Okay. So but this is takes n square. Time complex is what? Time complexity. I'm going to take time complexity in the coming classes. But this is n square. Why n square? Because there is 2 for loops. This first for loop will run, and second for loop will loop to all the elements, and again the top root for loop goes to the next element. The bottom loop will run again, third run again, fourth run again. So it's n square. Okay, so it's not a good optimal solution. Okay, one space comps is also not a much problem because we didn't use any results, only sum, only the normal integer. It won't take any space. Okay, here we are going to implement how to bring the optimal solution. So there are a couple of methods. So here we are going to implement a hashing. Okay, hashing method. So I'm going to create one table, hash table. Okay, so I will rub this. Okay, so how to hashing, like storing and comparing. Okay, so how I'm going to do this? So I'm taking 1. Okay, I'm taking the first 1 value. It's the 0th index. Everyone know it's 0th index. So what I'm going to, what is the target? 8. So I'm going to minus 1. So what is the result? 7. Okay, so if anything is in this hash map is 7, because hash map is empty right now. It's empty, right? There is no 7. So there is no result. So what I will do, I'm going to put 1, 0. 1 is the value and 0 is the index. Okay, I'm going to take next value 3. So 8 minus 3, how much? 5, right? So is 5 in the list? No. The 5 in the hash? No, it's not there. So what I will put? 3, 1, because 3 is a value and what is index of 3 is 1. Okay, next I'm take 8, 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Okay, let's check. The hash map has 3. Yes, it has the value as 3. Okay, it has 3. So what is the 5's index? Right now I'm in a 5th, right? So 5th index is 2. The third index is what? 1. So result is what? 2, 1. How simple! In just 3 steps we implemented. So this is the key and value pair. This is the value is a key and the value is an index. Okay, I'm going to implement this in our normal. I'm going to comment this old brute force approach. Okay, I'm going to comment it. I'm little maximizing it to comfortable you guys. Okay, so I'm going to use a for loop, simple for loop. Before that, I'm going to create a hash map. Here I'm going to create a dictionary. Dictionary is a key and value, like hash map, map culture. So in for loop, I in the as usual range of length of list. Okay, because that is the for loop is same, first for loop is same. So in this, so what I want to do here, so you guys say if this condition I want to verify, which condition? Target, I want to minus na, target minus what value? The list of I value, list of I value, list count we studied na in the day one. So in dictionary dot keys, so I'm verifying in the hash map, that's how I taught you, right? So I want to find if 7 is in this hash map, so that's what I'm doing. The target result is in this. If it is there now, what would happen? So that we come to the next, but right now we are not in that work. So if not, now what I will do, just now I taught you, I need to put in the hash map. So dictionary of 1.1, so what is the key? List of I is the key, just now I taught you, right? I need to put value comma index, so value equal to index. So this is the key. In this key I am storing the I value, so this is the index, so the value on the index I am storing. Okay, so this for loop will keep on run when this condition is achieved. Now what I will do, last time we saw a result of 0 equal to I value, that is, there is no change in that. Okay, and because we find it the which value, suppose it's 5 is I'm coming now, so 2, it will stores the 2 here, so that's why I put result of 1 and result of 0. So which one is the, where I'm finding this? So the value is finding 3 na, so I'm, how to find it? From the dictionary only I am able to find it. Dictionary of target minus list of 1 value. When I able to find this, so I will fetch this key from this list. Okay, that's it. So I didn't do anything. Simple dictionary I am verifying the subtraction of this value is there in the hash map or not. That's it. Only one step. So in the step what I am verifying, subtraction of target minus current value in the list, in the dictionary. The dictionary are in the common man terms in the hash table. So if it is in the table means, so I will take, yeah, I got the result. So this is the current index and the dictionary, the result, whatever results came na, that result want to be my achievable target. So I am finding the current index of I and where is the 3, so that result is my index. So this will, dictionary will give the index of that value. So I'm going to run this. So simple, right? But it looks simple, but that's why I told you clearly. Understanding of why I taught you list and dictionary in the day initial of this data structures, this is the thing. So you want to know all the basic of dictionary, list, for loop, this and all. This is not a data structures. These are simple things, but when you're going to implement any logic, this and all, it plays a vital role. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please and like and subscribe my channel. And if you faced any issues, put in the comment section. I will rectify the issue. From tomorrow, we'll see the time complexity, queues, those things. Thanks for watching.